birds walk?
They fly.
But all the dead birds are flying.
No, well, they fly to heaven once they're dead.
Oh, dear. You.
Me?
Yeah.
No, you do it.
Did my dad kill that bird?
No, actually, the dogs killed the bird.
That's really mean.
I know.
Cha-cha. Mom.
Okay, go put it in the bag. Please. Put it in the bag. Good job, Callie. Go on, pick it up. Okay. Oh, goodness. All right, you got to pick it up with both hands.
No.
No?
Pick up.
You don't want to?
It's dead.
It's dead. It's not going to hurt you. Come on.
No, I don't.
You're scared?
Mom, can you do it, please?
I could. I just figured you guys might want to do it. No? Do you want to do it, Lace?
Yes.
You do? Oh my god, you're the best. Okay, go put the gloves on.
I think it's not going to hurt me.
No, it's dead. It's not, like, gonna hurt you. It's dead. Here you go. Callie, hold the bag and you pick it up. Put your hand in. I'll tell you what, if you do this, I'll give you a big snack.
Okay.
Alright, other hand.
Oh,
You gotta put your hand in.
the sun needs going this.
Okay, now the other one.
Not so we.
You gotta pick the bag. You gotta hold the bag for her.
What's that?
Good job.
I think both bodies.
No, no, they don't.
No, both.
Okay, you did it. Alright, go on.
No.
You guys get a big snack if you do this.
But, like, nice.
Go on, Lace.
Why does it have red? Why does it have red legs?
Why does it have red legs?
Nice.
You know, I don't know, but after you do
Nice.
this, we can Google it.
Nice.
Yeah?
Nice.
Yeah, nice. Alright, go on, pick them up.
Birds are nice.
Yes, they are, but this one's dead.
But why?
I'm
one
sure he
dead?
was nice when he was alive.
Yeah.
Hmm.
I think birds don't bite.
Nope, not when they're dead.
Only birds bite.
Yes.
Theory.
Okay. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
I don't want to. I'm scared.
You just said you were going to do it.
No, you do it.
What?
I will hold your phone.
Oh, you know I don't want to, but...
You do it. I will just hold your phone and give it back. Okay?
Okay.
I
Oh, God. All right, guess I'm just going to have to do it. Hold on.
Let me hold your phone.
All right.
I'm going to watch you do it.
You're going to watch me do it? All right. Team effort. Hey, focus on me. Where am I at? Here I am. Okay, all right. Oh, God. I think I'm going to throw up when I'm like this. This way. Okay, bring me the bag. Okay. Bring me the bag.
I will.
Okay. Well, you will what? Pick it
I
up?
will.
Okay, bring it to me. I need to put him in the bag. Okay. Oh my god. If he comes to life, I will shit myself.
Boop.
Okay, he's dead. I confirm. Oh. Oh, he's heavy. And there's blood.
There's blood?
I can't do this. I can do this. I can do this. Here. Give it to me. Okay, there we go. Okay. Oh, okay, I did it. Woo! There we go.
Put them
Show.
in the bag.
Show the camera. It's in the bag. But there's blood on the floor, so be careful. Don't touch it. Don't touch
Oh,
the blood.
there's blood. Oh, there's blood everywhere.
Yeah, don't touch the blood.
Did my dad stab him?
No, your dad didn't stab him.
Look.
Yeah, there's blood.
Who
Yes.
did stab him?
No, nobody stabbed him. The puppy grabbed him and basically bit him and killed him.
That's rude.
That is pretty rude, yeah. You go tell the puppies not to do that.
But why does blood everywhere?
Because when the puppy bit him, blood came out of him, so he died a painful death.
But why?
Because...
Mama, should we go back inside?
Yeah, I'm getting hot. Let's go back in. Are we locked out?
What? No.
Alright.
Get baby.
Okay, get away from the blood. I want to get bird flu.
Hi, baby.
Nova. That was uncalled for. Come on, let's get him.
Get.
Alright.
Yeah.